Hello, class. Hello, 12th graders. Welcome to another class of Maintain Guest Financial Records. We've talked about the vocab words, we've talked about the guest accounting cycle, pre-arrival, arrival account creation, occupancy account maintenance, departure account settlement. And today we are going to talk about the guest account. So make sure you guys take notes in your notebook. A guest account will be created in the property management system. So this is the system that the hotel has that can see all the guests and be able to record all the different transactions and deposits. So this is how it's easy for the hotel to know how much money to charge the guest when they check out. The guest account is created when the guest makes the reservation. So it's not when the guest checks into the hotel, but it's when the guest makes the reservation online. So when I book a hotel, I make a reservation maybe 1 month, 2 months before I actually check into the hotel. So this is when the guest account is created, when the guest makes the reservation. And I'll show you what I mean. I'll give you an example if you're confused. So in the guest account, we will have lots of information. And this will include the guest's name, the email, the credit card number, the phone number, the reservation date, room number, room rate, deposit amount, and I forgot to put in the check-in date and the check-out date. So I made just what a very simple guest account, what that might look like. So as you can see here, it says the Sofitel Hotel. And here's all the information that I just talked about. So the guest account will have the guest name, which is my name, Joshua Dwyer. The email, so my email is actjoshua@gmail.com. Right, the credit card number that I'm using, the phone number, the number of guests. So I said that there would be 4 guests with me. So I made the reservation, but 3 other people are coming with me. Maybe Teacher Rex, Teacher Andy, and who else? Let's say Teacher Rock. We're all staying at Sofitel Hotel. So those are all the guests. The reservation date. So remember, this is the date that I booked the hotel. So the reservation date was April 14th, 2020. But I don't check in to the hotel until May 16th. And because I haven't checked into the hotel yet, I don't have a room number. But once I check into the hotel, the guest account will put room number. So maybe, 303 or 1402, something like that. The room rate. So the room rate is how much a night the hotel costs. So in this case, I put the room rate at $55 a night. The deposit is $100. So when I made the reservation, I gave them my credit card number, and then the deposit was $100. So if I did not show up to check in, the hotel would keep that deposit. They would not give me my money back. And then the checkout date is May 20th. So you can see I'm staying the night of the 16th, the night of the 17th, the night of the 18th, and the night of the 19th. So 4 nights. So this is all the information to include in the guest account. So I would go ahead and make sure you have all this information written in your notebook, because this is very important when we talk about guest accounts. All right. Please watch this again if you are not sure of any of the words.